Hi there, I'm Chris from TagPoint. Today I'm excited to give you a quick overview of TagPoint's chat feature, an innovative corporate messenger designed specifically for facility management. With TagPoint, you can automatically control team efficiency, coordinate employees' workload when creating tasks, and ensure all team members are in one app, preventing any request from getting lost. So let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in the TagPoint app. And if we select chats from the options along the bottom, we're taken into the TagPoint Messenger. And because I'm logged into the TagPoint app as the general manager of a hotel, I have a long list of different chats that I'm involved with. And most of these are actually chat groups which have been created by other people and I've been invited to, or they could be groups that I've created and added other people to. And for this demonstration, the majority of these are groups for each department, and this is a great way of making communication more efficient and focused for your team. There are also a couple of chats where I've had one-to-one communication with different people. For example, the head of housekeeping and Peter. And if I wanted to start a new chat, I could select the option from the top right, and this gives me a list of all of the employees that are currently using the TagPoint system. And the top option is I could create a new group chat where I specify the group name. I can supply an image, give it a description, and we also have this concept of request types, because one of the options within a chat is to be able to create requests. Okay, so let's move to an existing group. So if I was to select engineering and maintenance, for example, you can see I have a history of the previous chats and requests that have been added to the engineering and maintenance chat group. And in the bottom left, I have the option of hitting the plus button, and from here I could actually create a new task within the chat. So request types that have been added for this group are maintenance, other, and repair. And we customize these request types to fit your organization's needs. And this makes it easier to categorize and manage those tasks. So in this case, let's do a repair. I'm going to specify a location of main office. And for the description, let's say the ceiling is making a strange noise. And we have the option of adding a photo, so we can pick it up from our photo library or we can select the camera. And at this point I could assign an employee, but actually I'm going to send this and let the group pick this up, so they'll get a push notification notifying them that a new task has been added. Now, if I was logged into TagPoint as somebody from the engineering and maintenance group, I would see this new task appear, this new request, and I would have the option of viewing that request. I could start the request, so this is taking ownership of this request and completing its requirements, or I could look at the event history to find out when this was created, who created it, etc. So if I hit view request, you can see it was created by the general manager. I've got the description there. I could take a closer look at the photo. I can also start adding some response images and notes if I wanted. I could close it. I can mark it as started, or I could actually assign it to one of the other people involved in this group. Okay, next let's move on to one-to-one communication. So on the top right, I can find who I'm interested in. So I'd like to request that the head of housekeeping come to the main office. This message has now been sent, and the head of housekeeping would have received a push notification, and once they've read this, hopefully they'll reply and get back to us. Okay, great. So the head of housekeeping has replied to say that it's no problem and they'll see us soon. Okay, and it looks like while we've been discussing things with the head of housekeeping, we've had front office send a message. So let's have a look and see what they've said. So it looks like the main automatic door is not working correctly. One of the other great features in TagPoint Messenger is we can long hold on the message and create a new task. And let's set this to other. And in this case, set the location to front office. And I'm going to assign this to engineering and maintenance. So there you have it. TagPoint is a powerful corporate messenger designed to streamline facility management, operations, and improve team performance. With its intuitive interface and robust features, you can efficiently manage tasks, coordinate workloads, and ensure clear communication among your team members. Give TagPoint a try today and revolutionize your facility management.